Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and if you are new, then most welcome. We are here at the city center of Stockholm. It's almost evening time and weather is really not good here. It's rainy and cold. The place is Circle Square and you can see the famous crystal vertical sculpture, basically a tower, and when the lights get on in the evening it looks incredibly stunning. But whatever, we came to Stockholm to visit and explore the places. So even in bad weather, we also walk and show you the places. So actually from this main point of the city center, we are going to walk and try to reach the old town of Stockholm, that is Gamlestan. Slowly the lights are being switched on as the darkness of evening are spreading. And when the lights are fully on, then it will be more interesting to see, especially the city center. We are at outside of city center, which is east side, and from here Gamlistan and other islands can be seen. Weather is so bad, it's rainy and so windy, and here it is open area, that's why we feel more wind, but still try to catch some glimpses. Now we are on the land of Kamlastan area, which link to city center with bridges. This building is the Royal Palace, and we are on east side of this palace. We are walking back again towards city center, and walking one of the bridges connects to Gamlastan Island from city center. We are now in the city center area, and from here we will go to the main point of the city center, that is the Sergel Square. At this beautiful junction, there is a historical place, and that is the Royal Dramatic Theatre. This building is the Royal Theatre. Thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe. Watch our next video to explore more about city center of Stockholm.